Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a waffle sprinkle cake. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need one 15.25 ounce of cake mix, any kind you want. We're just doing the funfetti because it's fun. Then you need 1 cup of water, a 1/3 cup of butter, and we are going to melt that, 2 eggs, some frosting. You might get away with just 1 of the 16 ounces, but I got 2 just in case, and then a lot of sprinkles, and a waffle iron, of course. Go ahead and melt your butter in a microwavable safe bowl, and then you're going to plug in your waffle iron to get that heating up. Next, you want to add all your other ingredients to your melted butter, so your cake mix, your eggs, and your water, and we are just going to stir that until it's all incorporated. That looks great, so now we're just going to put some into our waffle maker after we spray it with cooking spray and get busy making our waffle cake. You just want to go ahead and cook your waffles until they're golden brown. You don't want them too dark. And then I'm just removing them so they're little slices. I'll take a video right here to show you. Right here are my little slices, and I'm just letting them cool. That's why I have them. I'll reassemble them after we start putting on the frosting. Now it's time to go ahead and assemble the cake. So I have my first 4 pieces of waffle down, and I just lathered them really generously with my frosting. And I'm going to put another layer on top. This next layer, I layered it a little differently so the lines don't meet up all the way around. It'll be easier to put our sprinkles on at the end. Right, the cake has been frosted. I just went on the top and all around. And don't worry if there's imperfections, because now we are going to add sprinkles to the entire thing. All of my sprinkles have been added. That is a lot of sprinkles. I just took them in my hand and pushed them onto the side. There was no way I could pick this thing up and roll it into sprinkles. I think my waffles were way bigger than what I expected. But it turned out so cute. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Cut a piece here for Taste Tester. It's his birthday today. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy birthday!